Aloha everyone, this is Rick Kirkham of BusyBusinessPromotions.com, and today I want to let you know about a change of menu at Bunny Bistro Lao Cooking Lessons in Ewa Beach, Hawaii. So if you're anywhere on Oahu or anywhere close by on the islands, be sure to get signed up to take your lessons, because now let's get right down here. Here we go. Okay, so now on both Monday and Thursday, you will have the same great menu and an extra entree. So the recipes will be papaya salad, and I'm not gonna read this whole description to you because you can find it on the website. But papaya salad, sticky rice, and for the entree, chicken larb, shrimp Pad-Lao, and beef salad. So folks, if you want to learn to cook anything like this, whatsoever that you're seeing in these pictures, and if you want to cook these for your family and get those looks on their faces like, wow, where did you learn this? Then get signed up with Bunny Bistro Lao cooking classes right there in Ewa Beach. And that's it. That's a fairly short announcement for you today, but get signed up and learn how to cook at Bunny Bistro's Lao cooking classes in Ewa Beach. Aloha.